Today we are going to talk about the brain arteriovenous malformations. They are also called as brain AVMs. Brain AVMs are although rare, but we can find it suddenly in scans which are done for some other reason, or we can find in a scan which is done after having any neurological deficit or any weakness or paralysis, presenting as a bleeding or presenting as a epilepsy or seizures. So brain arteriovenous malformations are a potentially dangerous and the life-threatening disease. The treatment of brain arteriovenous malformations can be complex. When anybody gets diagnosed with a brain arteriovenous malformation, it is very important for them to understand what is the disease, what it can cause, how it can be treated. So brain arteriovenous malformations are usually diagnosed on the angiogram after the CT scan or MRI. The diagnostic angiogram is done, which is done by a small hole in the blood vessels in the leg or in the neck arm, and from there the x-ray and the contrast images are taken. Brain angiogram shows us that how are the blood vessels in the brain and what is the exact abnormality. When the AVM is diagnosed, we need to decide about the treatment plan, and the treatment plan can include the surgery or the embolization or the radiotherapy or radiosurgery or a combination of all. Embolization of the brain AVMs is one of the main part of treatment which is done in the interventional radiology if it is required. For embolization, we go inside the blood vessels which are abnormal, and then we inject some materials inside, like liquid materials or sometime a coils as well, to close the abnormal blood vessels. So brain AVMs are potentially dangerous problem, but if you or somebody else in your family get diagnosed with it, is important to know the disease it is, including the how it can happen and what it can cause and what is the condition of the disease in your particular case and what should be the adequate treatment. So don't hesitate to contact an interventional radiologist or relevant specialty in your near vicinity to discuss about your disease or AVM and to get a proper treatment done for that. Thank you.